Welcome all of you in online classes. Urmila Devi, PG College, Rasar Growth, Prayagraj. Today, considered BSc second year, third year classes in mathematics group. Our subject is maths. Considered considered discussed about the tangent plane and divergence curl of a vector function. Our first article is the equation of the tangent plane. Consider a surface, level surface, function f x y z is equal to c, where c is a constant, and I want to find to this surface equation. Therefore, here consider an ordinary point capital R whose coordinates are capital X, Y, and Z, and find and taken a point small r whose coordinate is x, y, z, small x, y, z. So find the equation of tangent plane which draw at the given point R whose coordinates are x, y, and z, and surface equation is function f x, y, z in parameter is equal to c, where c is constant. Draw a perpendicular line from the surface from the given point capital R whose equation is del f is equal to gradient f, means gradient of any function will be always perpendicular at that point and is also called normal of the tangent plane which draw from the given point capital R. Therefore, from figure it is clear that our required tangent plane is in the bracket where R is a given point, and this line is called normal line of the tangent plane, and its equation is del f is equal to gradient f, where del is given equations I times del x plus j times del y plus k times del z, and f is a given level surface. So del f means gradient of function f is a perpendicular line of tangent plane. So find the equation of this tangent plane. Here write suppose that given point is R whose coordinate is small x, y, z, and given level surface is function f x, y, z equal to c. It is also write in the form that is x, y, z minus c is equal to 0. Draw a perpendicular line from point R whose equation is draw a perpendicular line whose equation is denoted by del f, means gradient of function f. Here f is a scalar function, and draw meeting to point and meeting to point capital R to small r, and small r, that is a line R small r whose position vector is capital X minus small x I times plus capital Y minus small y times j plus capital Z minus small z times k. So from figure, this line capital R is a perpendicular on the line del F. So here making 90 degree, and with help of the vector calculus you can write a equation, means vector R dot product del F is equal to 0, because line capital R is perpendicular to gradient F. So from the figure it is clear that line capital R to small r is perpendicular gradient of F. So here find an equation R dot del F is equal to 0. But from the figure and equation of R is equal to capital X small x times I, capital Y minus y times j, capital Z minus z times k, with dot product del F is I times del F by del X plus j times del F by del Y plus k times del F by del Z is equal to 0. Here taking dot product of these two vectors and is equal to capital X minus x del F by del X plus capital Y minus small y times del F by del Y plus capital Z minus small z times del F by del Z is equal to 0. This is tangent equation of the given. This is tangent equation of the at the given point capital R of the given level surface f x y z is required equation. So from the figure it is clear how you can find an equation of tangent plane at the given point for given level surface f x y z. Now next consider the equation of normal line. Equation of the normal line. In this case figure will be same, means x y z. Here consider a normal line equation at the point R, whose equation is capital X by del F by del X is equal to capital Y by del F by del Y is equal to capital Z small z by del F by del Z. Is equation of normal line at the given point small r x y z. Is equation of the normal line at point small r x I plus y j. It is also write in the form x y z. So this article is complete. Now consider next some questions which are dependent on these two articles. Write first question. Our first question is find the equation of tangent plane. First question is find the equation of tangent plane. Find the equation of tangent plane to the surface to the surface yz zx to the surface yz plus minus zx plus xy plus 5 is equal to 0 at the point coordinates are 1, minus 1, 2. So, in this equation given a point whose coordinates are 1, minus 1 and 2, and equation of the level surface is yz minus zx plus xy. So, in the solution write given level surface function of x y z is equal to yz minus zx plus xy plus 5. This is equation of the level surface f, whose equation is yz minus zx plus xy plus 5, and given point is 1, minus 1 and 2. Then for find the equation of tangent plane at this point for this surface, write equations, first calculate gradient of function f. Okay. So, gradient of function f at the point 1, minus 1, 2 is equal to I times del f by del x plus j times del f by del y plus k times del f by del z at the point 1, minus 1, 2. Here putting the value of f and taking partially differentiation with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to z. So, I times del f value is yz minus zx plus xy plus 5 is divided by del x plus j times f del by del y, and value of f putting also here yz minus zx plus xy plus 5. At last k times del by del z, putting the value of f yz minus zx plus xy plus 5, taking at the point 1, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 2. First calculate partially differentiation of the function f. So, here in the first part our partial differentiation of function f with respect to x. So, y and z will be constant, 5 already constant. So, taking differentiation I times here yz constant, so is equal to 0, and zx minus z and xy, so plus y is also constant 0, plus j times in bracket second part is partial differentiating of function f with respect to y. So, here in this case x and z plus 5 will be constant, whose differentiation must be equal to 0. So, here in the first part only z is remain, and second part minus 0, and third part only x is remain, and plus 5 is also 0. plus k times. In same manners and same rule, you can partially differentiating of these terms. So is equal to z, here y is remain, and minus x is remain, is equal to 0, and is also is equal to 0. Taken boundary points 1, -1, 2. Taking first simplification, and after then putting the values of x, y, z. So here is equal to minus z plus y plus z times z plus x plus k times y minus x, at last point 1, -1, 2. Here in this equation, putting x is equal to 1, y is equal to -1, and z is equal to 2, which is given point in the question. So I times z is equal to 2, so -2, plus y is equal to -1, so -1, here putting, plus z times z is 2 and x is 1, plus k times y is -1 and x is 1, so -1, x is 1, so -1, y is -1, okay, is equal to minus 3i plus 3j minus 2k. Consider is equation first. So in the equation first, the value of del f means gradient of given function at the given point 1, -1, 2 is clear, which is equal to minus 3i plus 3j minus 2k. So further, now here it is clear value of del f at the point 1, -1, 2 is equal to minus 3i plus 3j minus 2k is considered in equation first. Now write the equation of tangent plane. The equation of tangent plane at the given point our given point is 1, -1, 2. So you can also write here x, y and z, small x, small y, small z is capital X, small I plus I times plus capital Y, small y times j plus capital Z minus z times k with dot product of del f at the point 1, -1, 2 is equal to 0, because by discussion in the articles equation of tangent plane at the given point to the level surface f, whose equation is vector r dot product of gradient f is equal to 0, because these vectors are perpendicular to each other. So taking dot product and must be equal to 0. Now putting the value of x which is equal to 1, value of y which is equal to -1, and value of z is equal to 2, and the value of del f at this point from the equation first. Here is equation second, you can consider. So putting the all values and write in the form capital X, small x is equal to 1 times I plus capital Y, small y is equal to -1, so here +1 times j plus capital Z minus z, z is equal to 2, so putting here 2 times k and taking dot product of del f, putting the value of del f from equation first, which is minus 3i plus 3j minus 2k is equal to 0. Now taking dot product of this vector with this vector, which is equal to, by calculus of the vector, by calculus vector calculus, is equal to minus 3 times capital X minus 1 plus 3 taking multiples with j, so j coefficient is equal to 3 times capital Y plus 1 plus minus 2 times z components, so here write minus 2 times capital Z minus 2 is equal to 0. Complete this equation after simplification. So taking simplification of this equation is multiply here in the first bracket open and multiply by minus 3, and the second bracket open and multiply by plus 3, and third bracket open and multiply by minus 2. So here minus 3x minus plus 3 and plus 3y plus 3 and minus 2z minus plus 4 is equal to 0. Consider in a bracket and component x, component y, component z and plus others cost and sums. So here is equal to minus 3x plus 3y capital Y, so 3 capital Y minus 2z plus 3 and plus 4, plus 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10. So here is equal to plus 10 is equal to 0. This is equation, complete equation of the tangent plane. So tangent plane, which complete equation of the tangent plane at the given point 1 minus 1 2 and of the level surface yz minus zf plus xy plus 5, which here considered function f, and this is complete equation of the tangent plane at the given point. Now consider second question. Our second question is, which is also related from the tangent plane and normal line. So in the second question, ask find the equation of normal line to the surface x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 25, which is equation of the sphere whose radius is 5 at the point 403. So in the solution, given level surface or given surface equation is function of x y z is equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus 25 is equal to 0, and point is 403 and given point is 403 given point is 403. So here is directly using two equation of the normal line at the given point. Here you can write is equal to point x, y, z equivalent, and use directly formula of the equation of the normal line. So equation of normal line, at normal line to surface to surface F x y z is equal to 0 at point x y z is capital X minus X by del F by del X, capital Y minus Y by del F by del Y is equal capital Z minus Z by del F by del Z. Suppose that is first, and in this equation means equation of the normal line, here small f, small y, small z is coordinates of the given point. So it is clear the value of x is equal to 4, the value of y is equal to 0, and the value of z is equal to 3. But here what is the value of del f by del x, del f by del y, del f by del z? This value is equal to gradient of given function x square y square z square minus 25 is equal to 0 at the given point, whose coordinates are 4, 0, 3. So first calculate the gradient of given function f at the point 4, 0, 3. So gradient means del f of del f at the point 4, 0, 3 is equal to I times del f by del x plus j times del f by del y plus k times del f by del z, 4, 0, 3. Here putting the value of f, which is x square y square z square minus 25. So I times del f x square plus y square plus z square minus 25 by del x plus j times del by del y x square plus y square plus z square minus 25 plus k times del by del z x square plus y square plus z square minus 25 at the point 403. Here in first taking partially differentiation with respect to x, in second with respect to y, and in third with respect to z. So already it's clear that if you can partially differentiating with respect to x, then y and z and 25 will be constant in same manner and same rule you can apply next two parts. Okay. So here is equal to I times, here is equal to 2x is 0, 0, 0. So plus 0 minus 0 plus j times 2y plus 0. You can write in this form also, but here 0 for this and 0 for this and minus 0 plus k times 0, 0 plus 2z minus 0 at the point 403. Complete in the simplification. So is equal to 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk at the point 403, which is equal to, putting x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 3. So is equal to 4 2 ja 8i plus 0j plus z 2 times 6k. So here comparing both sides, it is also right in the form and complete equation means I times del f by del x plus j times del f by del y plus k times del f by del z is equal to 8i plus 0j plus 6k. Suppose that is equation second. In the equation second, the value of gradient f I times del f by del x, j times del f by del y plus k times del f by del z is equal to 8i 0j plus 6k. Comparing the coefficient of I, j and k both sides, and then find the value of del f by del x, del f by del y and del f by del z. So here can write directly the value of del f by del x is equal to 8, del f by del y is equal to 0, and at last del f by del z is equal to 6 is considered from third forms. So from first and second, from first and third, the equation of normal line, required normal line, required normal line is capital X, x del f by del y, del f by del x, capital Y, small y, del f by del y, capital Z minus z divided by del f by del z. Putting the value of x, y, z and del f by del x, del f by del y and del f by del z. Here x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 3. And the value of del f x, del f y, del f z is cleared from the third equation. So is equal to capital X minus 4 by 8 is equal to capital Y minus 0 by del 40 del f y is equal to 0. At last capital Z minus 6, capital Z minus 3 by 6 is complete equation of the normal line. Now one time again here checking del f by del x is equal to 8, del f by del y is equal to 0, del f by del z is equal to 6, and x is equal to 4, so x replaced by 4, y is equal to 0, so y replaced by 0, small y, and small z is equal to 3, so small z replaced by 3. This is here right equation of the required line, so it's complete. Now consider next articles. Our next article is the divergence of a vector function. So consider a vector function. Consider a vector function capital V is equal to I times V1, J times V2, K times V3. Then the divergence of vector function capital V is defined as del dot capital V vector V, which is equal to I times del by del x plus j times del f by del y plus k times del f by del z dot product of vector v. So is also write in the form I dot del vector v by del x plus j times dot product of del vector v by y plus dot product of k with del v by del z. So is required divergence of vector capital V, which is denoted by I dot del v by del x plus j dot del v by del y plus k dot del v by del z. In the next article, consider a theorem. Our theorem is, write the theorem. If capital V vector is equal to V I, V1I, V2j, V3k is differentiable vector point function then divergence of capital V is equal to del V1 by del x, del V2 by del y, del V3 by del z. Is very important theorem for the solving some questions. So consider here and taking proof. Given vector point function is capital V is equal to Vn I, V2 j, V3 k. In this vector, V1 scalar quantity, V2 scalar quantity, V3 scalar quantity, and you already know about the small I, small j and small k, which are unit vectors along positive direction of x-axis. So by the definition of divergence of vector function f, divergence of capital V is equal to del dot capital V is equal to I times del v by del x plus j times del v by del y plus k times dot product of del v by del z. By definition of the divergence of vector point function capital V is equal to I dot del v by del x, partially differentiation of vector function V, and j dot del v by del y plus k dot del v by del z. Putting the vector capital V, which is equal to capital V1, putting the value of I dot vector V by del x, capital V value is V1 I times plus V2 j times plus V3 k times plus dot product of j del v by del y, putting the value of vector function capital V, which is equal to V1 times I, V2 times j, V3 times k. At last, k times dot product del v by del z, capital V1 I, capital V2 j, capital V3 k. Here you can write capital vector V is equal to V1I, V2j and V3k. So in this equation, partially differentiating of V1I, V2j, V3k with respect to x and partially differentiating of function V1I, V2j, V3k with respect to y. At last, partially differentiating of the vector function V1I, V2j, V3k with respect to z. So here it is necessary point is applied to this brackets and taking partially differentiating each part and write in the simplification form. So I times I dot of del V1, I is constant, so taken outside from the differentiation of V1 by del x, plus j is also constant unit vector, so taken outside from the differentiation, and j times del V2 by del x. Similarly, k times del V3 by del x, plus j dot. Here is same rules apply in the part second and part third, and also write in the form del V1 by del y plus j times del V2 by del y plus k times del V3 by del y plus k times dot product of del I times del V1 by del z plus k j times del V2 by del z plus k times del V3 by del z. First, taking dot product of I with j with k, and taking dot product of j with I with j with k, and taking dot product of k with I with j and with k, but applying to the all rules of dot products of vectors. From the rules of dot product of vectors, dot product of I with I will be equal to 1, dot product of I with j must be equal to 0, and dot product of I with k also is equal to 0. So in briefly form, rules is if taking dot product with same unit vectors, then will be equal to 1 in value, and if taken different vectors, then must be equal to 0. So here is equal to del V 1 by del x 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 del V 2 by del y plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 times del V3 by del z. Taking simplification for this equation and write del V by del x plus del V2 by del y plus del V3 by del z. So it is clear that divergence of vector V is equal to del dot V is equal to del V1 by del x, del V2 by del y plus del V3 by del z, which is complete proof of the theorem, hence proved. Hence proved. Our next article is curl of a vector point function, vector point function, vector point function. Consider a vector point function, vector point function vector point function f, suppose that is equal to f1i, f2j, f3k. F is a vector point function whose value is f1i, f2j, f3k. Then the curl of f vector point function f is defined as del cross f curl vector f is equal to del cross f is equal to determinant of I, j, k. Determinant of, here you can explain by this formula, means del by del f. First start the formula here. I value is del by del x, j times del by del y plus k times del by del z, cross product of f1i, f2j, f3k. Taking cross product of I, with j, with k, and after then taking dot cross product of j unit vector with I, with j, and with k. After then taking cross product of k with I, with j, and with k. You can apply these rules, or you can also apply second rule. Our second rule is equal to determinant of I, j, k, del f, del by del x, del by del y, del by del z, and here write f1, f2, f3 by rule of determinant. So it is depend on your himself. You can find the value of curl f, means del cross f, by this method or this method. Now consider some questions which are related from divergence of a vector point function and curl of vector point functions. Write question first. Prove that divergence of vector r is equal to 3. Here write proof divergence of vector r. Divergence of vector r, here taken LHS sides. Divergence of vector r is equal to del dot vector r is equal to, putting the value of r. Here you can write also, where vector r is equal to xi, yj, and zk is common, because r is the position of any point in the space. So the value of r always equal to xi plus yj and zk. So here putting the value of del, which is I times del by del x plus j times, or you can use directly formula of the divergence of any vector point function. So here write I dot del r by del x vector r plus j dot del r by del y plus k dot del r by del z. Putting the value of vector r in this equation, so is equal to I dot del r is equal to xi, yj, zk divided by del x plus j dot del by del y, xi, yj, zk. plus dot product of k del by del z, putting the value of r, which is xi yj zk. Taking partially differentiation in the first case with respect to f, so y and z will be constant, and in second case with respect to y, so x and z will be constant, and same manner third rule, so is equal to I dot is equal to only I plus 0 plus 0 plus j dot, first is 0, second is 1, and second is j, and third is 1, third is 0, plus k dot, first is 0, second also 0, and third is k. Now taking dot product and simplification, so is equal to I dot I plus j dot j plus k dot k is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to third, because in the rule of the vector calculus, dot product of same unit vectors will be equal to 1, so I dot I is equal to 1, and j dot j also is equal to 1, and k dot k also is equal to 1. So is equal to RHS, and question is solved. So divergence of vector R is a position vector, must be equal to 3. Now consider next question. Our next question means question second is prove that curl of any vector R is equal to 0, where vector R is a position vector which is equal to xi, yj, and zk. Find the value of curl f, means curl R is equal to del cross f, means R, here f is a vector function, means R position vector. So putting the value of R here, find the value of del cross R with help of the determinant methods. So in the determinant method, I, j, k, del by del x, del by del y, del by del z, and the value of R position vector x, y, z. After simplification, you can find this value. So find the value of curl R by determinant method. According by determinant method, I times of del z by del y minus del y by del z minus j times, here taking j coefficient, so minus j del y by del x minus del x by del z, at last k times del y by del x minus del x by del y. In this equation, taking partially differentiation, but here in the first z is constant with respect to y is constant with respect to z. Similarly, y is also constant with respect to z, x, and x is constant with respect to z. At last, y is constant with respect to x, and x is constant with respect to y. Therefore, by method of the differentiation, partially differentiation is equal to 0. So I times 0 minus 0, j times 0 minus 0, plus k times 0 minus 0, which is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Hence proved is equal to RHS. So question is proved, and this is answer. In the third question, our question is, if vector f is equal to x square z times I minus 2 y cube z square j plus x y square z times k, then find the divergence of vector f and curl of vector f at the point 1 minus 1 1. So first write given vector function capital F is equal to x square z times I minus 2 y cube z square j plus x y square z times k. First calculate the divergence of function f. So divergence of function f is equal to del dot f vector f. Applying here the directly formula of divergence of any vector point function, which is I dot del f by del f plus j dot del f by del y plus k dot del f by del z. Putting the value of vector point function f, which is given x square z I minus 2 y cube z square j plus x y square z k. So here putting the value of f, I times dot product of I in bracket, right, del by del x square z I minus 2 y cube z square j plus x y square z times k plus j times dot product of z del by del y x square z I minus 2 y cube z square j plus x y square z k plus k dot del by del f. Putting the value of f here, x square z I minus 2 y cube z square j plus x y square z k. Taking partially differentiation in the first part, x, y and z will be constant. So here x square z I is equal to 2x z I. In the second, two constants with respect to x, y constant with respect to y, and z is also constant with respect to x, j already constant, so is equal to 0. So value of this with respect to x differentiating is equal to 0. And third, y square z and k constants, and differentiation of x with respect to x is equal to 1. So only remain part is y square z k closed plus z dot here in the second part, taking partially differentiation of the given vector function f with respect to y. So with respect to y, x and z will be constant. In the first part is equal to 0, second is equal to y means 6 minus 6 y square z square j. At last x with respect to y, so is equal to constant, and z and k constant, so 2y x z times k. At last k dot with respect to y, here x and y and small I j k will be constant, so taken outside. In the first part, x z I are constant, so is equal to 0. In the second part, z square whose differentiation is 2z means 4 minus 4 z y cube. at last x square zk. So with respect to z is equal to plus xy square k. Now taking dot product of I with k, taking j dot product with j with k, and at last taking dot product of k with j and with k. By rules of dot product of vectors, the dot product of I with I will be exist and others will be equal to 0, and z with j will be exist and others with 0, and k with k will be exist and others will be 0. So here use it directly and write 2xz is equal to 0 plus, in the case of z, j with j means minus 6y square z square. At last dot product of k with k only exist and others will be equal to 0. So x y square plus x y square. This is value of divergence f. So here write in clearly form, divergence vector f is equal to 2xz minus 6y square z square plus xy square. But in the question asked what is the value of divergence f at the given point 1, minus 1, 1. Therefore, putting the value of x, y and z, here x will be equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 1. So the divergence vector f at the given point is 1, minus 1, 1. In the right hand side, putting x replaced by x replaced by 1, y replaced by minus 1 and z replaced by 1. So here 2 into 1 minus 6 into minus 1 whole square into 1 whole square. At last 1 into y minus 1 whole square. After simplification you can find the divergence of vector f at the given point. So is equal to 2 is equal to minus 6 and is equal to plus 1. So is equal to 3 and 3 minus 3. So value of divergence given vector capital F at the given point is equal to minus 3. This is answer. Students, here in the second question is find the curl of vector F. So curl of vector F is find here by method of determinant. So in the case of determinant method, I, j, k and coefficient of del by del x, del by del y, del z, and here I coefficient in the function f is equal to x square z and z coefficient is equal to minus 2y cube z square plus coefficient of k is equal to x y square z. This question considered next lecture and remain here and find the next lecture. Okay.